Here's how to create animated Gmail profile picture. First of all, let's search for all image tools animated. Then click on this URL. Now scroll down below and choose the image that you want to animate. Upload it. Now you can see the bunch of animated effects that you can choose. Choose its space. Then scroll down below and click on Download Animated GIF. Click Allow. Now you will have your GIF file downloaded. Now let's go back to Google. Click on your profile. Click on this camera icon right beside your profile to change your profile picture. Then click on Upload from Device. Then choose the GIF file that you just made. Click Upload. If you want to crop or rotate it, do it. Then click Next. Then click on Save as your profile picture. And that's it. Now your profile picture will be updated. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.